Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend. And now let's try to start this Monday off right. We'll be talking about Tellor or TRB. Again, this is this is really a unicorn of a crypto. Like, I've never seen something like this. If you take a look at this chart, like it's pretty crazy. It really is pretty crazy. It reminds me almost, even though that was way smaller, I think, but it reminds me almost of KNC last year. So KNC last year, what you can see there is that it also rallied up like a lot. Like from this bottom right here at $1.5, it rallied for like 4 months, all the way up to 5.56, and then it crashed down hard. You know, actually, now that I think about it, it actually looks quite similar to this. I mean, if you take a look at this chart, and you take a look at you can see that this is also doing something. Well, all right, no, this went up way more. Like, this went from $10 to $125. But all right, so super manipulated. At this moment, still looks bullish as well. All right, so that's why I wanted to make a video on that. When we take a look at the funding rate, you'll see that the funding rate right now is getting high again. So that means that if you're shorting, you're paying those fees, which can add up pretty quickly. All right, so be careful. Just in general, I've said this like countless times, but if you do want to trade TRB, which I would advise against, then be careful. All right. But now, last time we covered TRB, what we said is that it looked like TRB was kind of in this range between $98 and then here at the top, kind of 120, perhaps 125 as a resistance. And what we've seen in the last couple of hours, and that's also the main reason why I wanted to make this video, is that TRB broke out again. It's again probably like it has made new highs already, but it's probably going for that next resistance level as well. Usually the funding rate being high like this is a good indication. That obviously creates a very big incentive to go long, and also an incentive not to go short. And then apart from that, what we also see is that the momentum is probably increasing a lot right now. Here you can see, the momentum is increasing. It went up by about, let's do some quick maths, about 20%, which is quite a bit. Volume is increasing massively as well. So TRB is just very bullish again. All right, so now the big question is where will it go? The next major price target is between 132 and let's say 140. That's the next technical level. You can see that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, for example, that's like TRB spikes up there a bit. After that, we'll have to start talking about 150. That's also a possibility. For now, I mean, you just gotta take it one resistance level at a time. And now that's the main level. Apart from that, you can also see, or at least you cannot see, but I will show you. That there's also quite a bit of liquidity all the way up to 130. You can see that. Well, maybe we can see that on the 24-hour chart. Here you can see a lot of liquidity here at 125, practically going all the way up to 130. So I at least expect 130, but I think we'll spike up a little bit higher. At this moment I don't think we'll break above that. But my mind on that could change quite rapidly. All right, so for example, if Bitcoin becomes very, very bullish, or if TRB barely finds any resistance there at 130, 132, then it will go up to 152 as well. So that's a possibility. For now, very bullish. Like I see from 130 it could also crash and dump down very hard. That's a possibility, but initially that means that TRB will still be bullish, and I see no reason why, at least initially, it would not be that bullish. And after that we'll see, right? It could also be that TRB after finding resistance at 132, that it starts crashing then. It's a possibility. At one moment TRB starts crashing, but that just depends a lot on how it reacts. So it will get up there, will find resistance. If from there it holds 120 as support, it's still bullish. All right, so if that then breaks, then there's a chance it will fall. But at this moment, there's no indication of any bearish momentum coming for TRB. So those are my thoughts, and that's my full analysis for now. So if you do have any questions, then as always, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, if you want more value from me, or if you want to make some money while trading, consider joining my premium groups. I have a normal premium group in which there's a lot of value regarding news, regarding trade setups, a lot. But apart from that, there's also a Signal group, off of which the results are completely transparent. It's profitable, so if you want to check that out, you can also, links to both will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great week, and bye.